In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Notion with a quick and simple tutorial. Whether you're looking to get a closer look at your content or you need to see more of your workspace at once, adjusting the zoom can make a world of difference in your productivity and ease of use. Let's dive in and make sure you have all the information you need to zoom in and out in Notion without any hassle. First up, let's talk about using your mouse to control the zoom. This is an easy and intuitive method that most people find quite handy. You'll want to start by holding down the Control key on your keyboard. Once you've got that key pressed, simply use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Rolling the wheel forward, or up, will zoom you in, allowing you to see your content in greater detail, which can be particularly useful if you want to focus on specific sections or need a closer view for editing. On the other hand, rolling the wheel backward or down will zoom you out. This gives you a broader view of your Notion workspace and can be beneficial when you're trying to get an overview of your project or organize various elements on your page. Now, if you don't have a mouse with a scroll wheel, or you just prefer using your keyboard, there's an equally simple alternative. Again, you'll want to start by holding down the Control key, but instead of using a mouse wheel, you can use the plus and minus keys on your keyboard. Pressing the plus key while holding Control will zoom you in, much like the scroll wheel did, bringing your Notion page's details into sharper focus. Meanwhile, pressing the minus key will zoom you out, showing more of your page on the screen. And there you have it. It's really as straightforward as that. By incorporating these simple steps, you'll be able to better navigate and utilize your workspace in Notion, making the platform work for you instead of the other way around. This small trick can significantly enhance your user experience, providing flexibility and control over how you view your pages. Remember, the key here is practice. Try both methods to see which one you find more comfortable and efficient for your workflow. Having this flexibility at your fingertips can be a game changer, empowering you to transition seamlessly between tasks and see your content exactly the way you need to. Feel free to replay this tutorial as often as you need until you feel comfortable with the process. Happy Notioning, and see you in the next video.